Meet Planck, the smallest SSD ever invented with a phone-first design. It connects securely to your devices and disappears into your palm as you record. No more bulky drives or tangled cables, just streamlined performance. Planck delivers secure, fast, and reliable storage with up to 2 terabytes of capacity right where you need it. Power up your creativity with Planck. Record pro-level 4K 120 FPS Apple ProRes videos directly to your Planck SSD without any delays or frame drops. Blazing fast 1050 megabyte per second speeds let you create and transfer files, all without missing a beat. Label your SSD and manage your content easily across all your devices. Planck's advanced thermal design keeps it cool, delivering peak performance even during your extra long creative sessions. Planck goes wherever you go. Record breathtaking scenes in 4K, store everything you need, and stay focused on the moment. Planck is built to handle every adventure. Crafted from premium aluminum and shockproof PC plastic, it is water-resistant and drop-proof. Your data stays safe no matter what. Need more? Pair Planck SSD with Planck Bank for the ultimate creative setup. With multiple USB-C ports, 4K HDMI output, and 140-watt pass-through charging, Planck Bank powers your workflow with ease. Why settle for one when you can have a Planck for every part of your life? It keeps up with your wildest ideas across smartphones, tablets, laptops, handheld consoles, gaming consoles, and more. Back yours now on Kickstarter and experience powerful, portable storage that fits in the palm of your hand.